Hello, good afternoon, friends. This is Sanjeev, your trusted realtor in Central Florida, showcasing another house I have, which will be listed today. This is a 5 bedroom, 3 bath in the Hunter Creeks area. As always, let's start with the weather. We see beautiful blue skies, no clouds. Temperature is about 74 degrees. The best of Orlando is here, and Disney is also about 5 miles away. So this property is located in the Hunter Creeks area. 5 bedroom, 3 bath, fully renovated, paint outside, inside, 2-car garage. Sits on a corner lot, an extra large corner lot, and this is the main entrance. Walking into the living room, a lot of daylight coming to the house. Walking into the dining room here, and an open concept kitchen, quartz countertops, new appliances, 42-inch cabinets, cooktop, microwave, and view to the dining room, standing in the kitchen. It has 1 bedroom and full bath on the first floor. So for people who don't want to walk upstairs, or if you have elderly parents or have issues with climbing the stairs, this is one room with a bathroom right on the first floor. So looking at the kitchen again here, and then we're going to walk in the backyards. Very spacious, extra large, with a fence on 2 sides. You can put a beautiful pool here. And this is the back side. Walking into the house now. Back into the kitchen area. Now let's go upstairs. Let me also show you the 2-car garage. Painted here. This property has a full luxury vinyl throughout the house. Now we're on the second floor, and you see a full bath right here. The laundry room is on the left hand side. Going into the master bedroom, extra large, extra spacious, with a fan and tray ceilings. Walking into the master bath, his and hers, sinks, tub, a beautiful view outside from both the windows, and also a standing shower. Walking back onto the second floor, 3 more rooms. This is room number 2 on the second floor. View to the street, closet, luxury vinyls throughout the house. Going into the alley, into room number 3. Another view to the outside. So it has a closet here with a mirror. Room number 4 with again view to the outside, and a lot of sunlight, natural light coming into the house from all the rooms. This is room number 5 on the second floor. The closet has mirrors, and each room has a fan, a ceiling fan. Walking to the alley and going back to the first floor. Now walking outside after the view to this beautiful home. Another view to the home here, and we'll show you the sidewalk. This being a corner home. There's a lot of space in the back for playing or having your own pool. Thank you for watching this small presentation. Welcome to Florida. Welcome to Orlando. Give me a call at 321-297-3009 and have a nice day. Thanks. Bye-bye.